For prescription drugs, the FDA serves the role by ensuring that these products meet quality standards to be both safe and effective for the end consumer. The FDA even go as far as inspect pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities worldwide. For dietary supplements, third-party organizations have assumed this role as the FDA does not regulate dietary supplements to the same degree as prescription drugs. These third-party organizations vouch for the product's quality, audit the manufacturing process, and look at labeling to ensure it is accurate and compliant with regulations. This does not mean that these products are safe and effective. I know, it's kind of confusing. Basically, dietary supplements that have been certified contain the ingredients listed on the label. While the FDA regulates the quality of all pharmaceutical drugs, the majority of dietary supplements are not third-party certified. Recalls are initiated to prevent the public from consuming defective or harmful products. In fact, there have been multiple drug calls in the past for a variety of reasons. In 2020, Ranitidine, an acid reflux medication, was recalled due to the FDA identifying high levels of NDMA, a probable human carcinogen. And more recently, in December of 2021, Gilead Sciences recalled several lots of its Veklury product, Remdesivir, due to presence of glass particulates. Remdesivir is one of the current treatments available for patients hospitalized with COVID. Now, dietary supplements have been recalled for a variety of reasons as well. On the FDA's website, there's a constantly updating list of drug and dietary supplement recalls. The big takeaway here is that having recall products in place reduces further potential harm to the public. Usually, these recalls are initiated voluntarily by these companies even before the FDA has to step in. Among the many third-party organizations out there, the most notable would have to be USP, or US Pharmacopeia, and NSF, the National Sanitation Foundation, not the National Science Foundation. USP is the same organization that develops standards for handling of non-sterile, sterile, hazardous drug compounding that hospitals use to prepare IV bags of medications for hospitalized patients, or even hazardous drugs like many chemotherapies. Third-party certified products will have a stamp from the organization that awarded it. USP certified products will have a USP verified dietary supplement mark stamp. NSF certified products will have an NSF mark on its products. Also, there is a way to look up third-party certified products online. On USP's website, they have a list of all USP certified products with links to different retailers that supply the product. With NSF, they have a similar directory where you can find products that have been certified through their org. The point is, third-party certifications for dietary supplements exist and is a way to differentiate across multiple products. It also doesn't hurt to get your doctor's blessing before starting a dietary supplement. This is the part of the YouTube video where I ask you to bless the YouTube algorithm by third party certifying that like button. Stay conscious of what you put in your body. See you in the next one.